Welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be going to show you that how you will be able to make a Python program to convert any type of decimal number into binary number. Means that you will be able to make a program through which you can convert any decimal number into binary number. So come on, let's move into the video and see how to code that program. So first of all, what we will be doing here, we will be writing here a variable that is num, and then we will be taking an input from the user. So int of input function, so I'll be typing here int of input. So after that I'll be opening one bracket, and then here I'll be typing enter the decimal number to convert it into binary. Okay, so here I have taken an input from the user, and after this what I'll be doing here is that I will be making one another variable, which is the name of the variable will be li, and here I'll be creating one list. So li is equal to list. So here I have make one list, and after that I'll be using a while loop while num not equal to 0. While num not is equal to 0 means while the num will not become 0, what I'll be doing is that I will be make one variable. Okay, I will be using this num is equal to num divided by 2. Okay, so here I have made the variable num, and that num variable will store the value whichever the user has inputted. Say for example user has entered 10 as a number of decimal number, so here 10 will be stored and 10 will be divided by 2, and then what will happen is that, okay, so first what I have to do is that I have to divide the number. So as you all know that how the binary number we take out, say for example we are doing in our pen and paper, and what we will be doing for manually, we will be doing what, we will be using this 10 and we will be taking out the LCM, and whenever we will there will be no remainder, then we will be write 0, and when there will be a remainder we will be writing 1. Okay, so first what you have to do is that first I have to make a mod. So mod is equal to, so I have made one variable naming mod, and here what I will be doing is that I will be modding this. So I'll use mod 2, that is num mod 2. What it will be doing, it will be dividing the 10 and the remainder value will be stored in the variable mod, and after that it will divide again, it will divide. And how it will be dividing, it will be dividing as an int function, because we all know that whenever we divide any number, the value which is returned is a decimal number. So we don't want decimal, we want a normal number. Okay, where if the number will be normal, then only we can find the binary value. So here I am using int function to divide this, whatever will be divided, where their value will be as an int function. Okay, now what I'll be doing is that I'll be, so I will be here, I will do what is that I will yes, so the value will be divided, and then what I will be doing is that I will be making the append function. What I'll be do, whatever the mod value, whatever the mod will be there, I will just append that. Okay, so I will typing here li dot append append, what happened, why I have used this append function. This is a list function. If you have not known the list function, you should go through that, because we should know the Python basics of Python to do this programming. So here what I have done, I have used an append function. Through that append function, I will type in here mod. What it will do, whatever the value will be stored in the mod variable will be stored in the li, that is the list, and it will be appended one by one inside the list. Okay, now what I'll be doing is that I will print the list, print, print bracket open li, and then the square bracket, and then I will use 2 colon, and after that I will use -1. Why this I have done? What does this reverse the list. For example, the list is 1 2 3 4 5, so it will reserve the list and it will be 5 4 3 2 1. So why I have done so? We all know that when we divide any binary, when we take out a binary number, we have to write opposite, right, from down to up. I will show you in this. Here you can see that how it is been shown, that you have be divided. When you will divide any number, the LCM of 0 1 0 1 will be stored like this, so you have to write it opposite direction in a reverse form. That's why I have done. So here our program has been completed. Let's see that whenever does we get the right value or not, because as we all know, say take the example of 10. Okay, so enter the binary number. So here I will be entering, that is 10. I will enter here 10. So 10 has been entered, then I'll type in, and you can see here that 1010 has been printed. Simply, yeah, it's correct value. For example, put 1 at the top of 0, then put 2 at the top of 1, then put 4 at the top of 0, and then put 8 at the top of 1. Now the whichever has 1, you have to add those. So here 1 has 8 and 1 has 4, so 1 2 4 8, so 1 2 4 8. So here 8 is there and 2 is there, so 8 plus 2 is 10. So here the value is correct. Yeah, binary value is correct. So hope so that you have understand. If you have not understand, you can comment it below in the video. I'll be explaining you through the, again I will make you a video for explaining you. So hope so that you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you for watching.